Alright, I want to show us another way that might work for us to make some profit. Actually, if you want to make some profit, so this another way. Now you come here, so this should be in the trader. We are using the web version, so you go to smart trader. So after that you get this, so you come here to select any volatility you want. You can use forex, indices, or commodities. So you select anyone you want. I prefer using volatilities. So after that you come here, then it should be in rise and fall, then you change it to matches differs, this. So after that, now what we do here is we predict the last digit. So the one up here tells you that if your prediction is correct, you make 3.18. If you are placing no, the stake of 0.5. Change the stake to the minimum, which is 0.35. So if you are staking 0.35, if you are correct, you make 3.18. If you were to say that no, this digit will not come, that is after this. Now the duration is the amount of ticks. You can use ticks. You can say, oh, after 5 ticks in the market, the last digit will be 2, or anything you want. So you can select it from here. So I'll show us how to actually make the precision easier for us. So digit matches is when your last digit is what you select here. Digit differs is when your digit differs from what you selected here. So if it's digit differ you are trading, you can see that the payout is not much, just 0.37. Now let me show us. If you were to use $1, I will advise you to use $1, please. You want to make profit. So if you put 1 here, you can see that for each time you are correct, on that $1 you make $9. You make $9. So I'm going to set it back to 0.35 now. So what we want to trade is this. There's a strategy to trade differ, and there's a strategy to trade matches. So but matches pay out well. There's much profit on matches, so I will show us how to trade matches. So I'm going to reset this to 0.35. So what do? Now from here, the explanation is here, and then you can see the chart here. But what you need is the last digit statistics. So this tells you that in the last 100 ticks, so which of these digits came out that came out repeatedly. You can see the percentage. So in the last 100 digits, 14, one came out 15 times, 15%. So you can see it's increasing, it's changing. The red one is the one that came out the least, while the green one is the one that came out the most in the last 100 ticks. So what you want to do is trade the one that come out the highest. And you can see that this one has been, you can see that it's still green. It's been coming out for a while now. It has not changed. So if I have placed 5 ticks now, I would have made profit. So let's try that. So basically what you do is, so that's a loss. Now before you are able to, now if you place 9 trades, if you win one, you will not lose anything. If you're able to win 1 out of 9 trades, then you will have your money back. So if you place 9 trades of this, you will get 3.18. So if you win before 9 trades, then you'll be in profit. Now how do I get that? If you divide this 3.18 by 0.35, your stake, that means you have to place it 9 times before, and if you did not win the 9 times, that means you've lost 3.18. But if you win just once out of the 9 times, then you gain profit. I believe you get that. So now I'm changing the stake to 2, the last digit to 2, and then I'll purchase again. So that's a loss again. So that's the second time now. So I'll purchase it again. So that's the third time. So I'll make a purchase again. Oh, it changes on the fourth stick. So is that the 5th time? So we are getting 2, but it's not exactly on the tick that I want. I lost count already, but keep placing it. If you like, you can change the number of ticks to whatever you want. You can use 10 ticks. So it seems the statistics has changed. Alright, so you can see now I made a win. So let me check how many trades I placed before I actually got it right. So I'm going to show us. So let me go to my cashier, then my statement. You can see that my balance is higher than before. Shall show us. Sorry, that should be report. Shall show us statement. Alright, so okay, so let's scan. So I started from 11. I think I started from 11.33. Okay, I started from A, 13.43. Okay, still loss. Still loss, but not much. I started from 13.43. So I placed 1, 2, just count the number of negative minus 1.35, you can see. Starting from me, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So then the 11th trade was correct. So I'm back here. So simple as that. So you can change, you can vary the number of, the last digits. Normally I trade 0 and 5. 0 and 5 comes out a lot. And you can use these statistics, to select your last digit. Or if you can settle for a small amount of money, just trade differ. So you trade digit differ, so you get small profit. So at least with that, it should give you a number of high trade. So for those, if you are looking for ways to have high trading volume, so just trade differ. select the digit with the red color here. Just select one with the red color, or don't select the one with the green, and then trade. So you can trade as many times as you want. So that is about that.